Hello everyone, it's Lee, and in this video I'll be answering questions that many iPhone users have asked. Can you change the position of the clock on the iPhone lock screen? Unfortunately, the answer is no, but let's dive deeper into why that is. So, as you can see here, when you lock your iPhone, the clock is always at the very top and the date just below it. While Apple do give you some control over the notifications what show up on your lock screen, they do not allow you to move the clock or change its appearance. However, if you jailbreak your phone, you can change the look and feel of the clock. But of course, not everyone wants to take that risk. So, what can you do if the clock placement clashes with your background? Well, unfortunately, your options are limited, and you can either choose a different background that works better with the clock placement, move the clock to a lower part of the screen, or just deal with it. But as frustrating as that may be, that's just how the iOS operating system is designed. I hope this video has cleared up any confusion you may have had about the position of the clock on your iPhone lock screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.